Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So, are you curious about the answer on what the thumbnail or title is asking you? Where did this World War II scenes exactly was taken from? But before we reveal the answer, it will be best to watch a little snippet of the newsreel from where these scenes was taken from. So, let us watch a snippet of the newsreel right now.
Pathe's men follow the same trail along which they retreated more than 3 years ago, and Manila is now once again in their hands. The people of the Philippines are awakening from the 3 years nightmare created by the warlords of Japan.
As you can see from the video, a bunch of army soldiers are riding on top of an LVT-4 water buffalo amphibious track vehicle. They are following a dirt road while passing some civilians. Then the scene cuts to where the vehicle slowly stops. Then a crowd of people appears at a junction. The crowd then happily approach their American liberators. Handshakes are exchanged between the soldiers and civilians, and the scene is over. Now, what is the point of showing you this? Well, the place where the soldiers arrive at is at the town of Calasiao in Pangasinan. This town is adjacent and south of Dagupan City, which is one of the landing sites of General MacArthur's Sixth Army along the shorelines of the Lingayen Gulf. The reason why I am sure this is the town of Calasiao is because of the two signs at the background and the wedge-shaped island the crowd is standing on. As you can see from the video capture image, and let us try to zoom in a little closer to see the signs clearly, you can read to Santa Barbara on the left, and the one on the right reads to San Carlos. This clearly indicates the crowd is standing on a junction island. Plus, if you look at the background, there is a huge space between the crowd and the structures on the edge of the picture. As proof, let us go to Google Earth and see the same triangular island in the newsreel. So I captured an image of the town of Calasiao from Google Earth. Then if we zoom in closer, you can see the same island on the newsreel. On top of the island is the huge space, which is a road which is not visible from the newsreel. The road going to the left goes to Santa Barbara, and the road going to the right is going to San Carlos City. And if we zoom out, you will see the three towns close to each other. So if the American soldiers are coming from the shores of Lingayen Gulf, like somewhere here, they definitely have driven through this road, drive through downtown Dagupan City, and straight down to the Calasiao's triangular junction. So, there you go. Where in Pangasinan is this video for? It's in Calasiao. I hope you enjoyed this video and somewhat useless information. But as an amateur history enthusiast, discovering something from history connects us from the present to the past. So give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Many thanks and see you again later.